I thank those who were able to attend the burial at the National Heroes Acre. Although, of course, we asked for limitation of attendances at the Heroes Acre. May his soul rest in eternal peace. With regard to political and economic developments, in the last few weeks, we have witnessed an upsurge in the unwarranted onslaught against the party, against the government, its leadership, policies, and programs. This culminated in the purported abductions of 3 MDC alliance-linked activists. To date, more information has come to light, to which the Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage has made public some of the details so far. Concurrently, during this period was the resurgence of hate speech and language, which are not characteristic of the values we seek to be embedded in our country under the Second Republic. This vile culture must be rejected by all peace-loving people of our nation. On the economic front, we are witnessing a relentless attack on our currency and the economy in general through exorbitant pricing models by the private sector. We are fully cognizant that this is a battle being fueled by our political detractors, elite opportunists and malcontents who are bent on pushing a nefarious agenda. They will never win. We did not liberate this country for selfish, profiteers, and greedy individuals, but for all the peoples in our land who have a right to enjoy a better quality of life. As a party, we must always strive to achieve this. These confrontational actions which played out in the political, economic, and media arena were not isolated instances, but well orchestrated, coordinated, and planned events. I'm aware that the intention was to cause despondency, unrest, violence, and to render the country ungovernable. These acts should never be tolerated. I urge the party and the nation as a whole to remain alert. Let us refuse to be divided by vigilantes who are hired by hostile foreign governments to distract us from our quest to grow our economy and improve the quality of lives for all in peace and unity and love.